Emotet is back from the dead. 10 months after it has been pronounced dead, this notorious malware botnet is back and kicking. Emotet was, or probably is, one of the most active botnets in recent years. It was mainly distributed through spam emails with malicious attachments. And once installed, it would typically download further payloads, such as Trickbot or Trickbot, which of course then again would download further payloads, such as the Conti or egregor ransomware, and start encrypting. At the beginning of the year, law enforcement took down most of its infrastructure and arrested 2 individuals, which made Emotet disappear for good. Well, last Sunday, a wave of Trickbot malware samples were seen downloading a new DLL that looked like Emotet malware. And it appears that Emotet is trying to build up its botnet again from scratch by installing it through Trickbot infections. Of course, it is unknown if the controllers now were involved with Emotet before, or if they are new, but they definitely have access to some of the source code, as there are some slight changes and upgrades made to the code, like for example the use of self-signed certificates for downloading further payloads, or the command structures. The new Emotet botnet is not yet sending out spam emails, but it is probably just a matter of time till the first email waves are sent. The Acronis advanced email security blocks malicious emails, such as the ones from Emotet, before they can reach a user's inbox and do any damage. Any malware that still makes it through is automatically blocked by the multiple security engines of the Acronis Cyber Protect, keeping you safe.